Good afternoon. My name is Maynard Bull. I am the current student at Western Dakota Tech in the Business and Technology program.
Hi, my name is Tara Temple, and I'm also pursuing my business and technology degree here at Western Dakota Tech.
Hi, I'm Guillermo. I am also in Business and Technology at Western Dakota Tech.
We're going to actually be covering some topics out of the social media marketing book that we use for our social media marketing class. And first up,
What is social media marketing?
Okay, Gaylor, social media marketing refers to the process of gaining website traffic or attention to social media sites. In other words, social media is the new way to get your word out there, to promote yourself, to advertise instead of word of mouth or the newspaper or the magazine. We're now contacting and promoting over the internet.
what are some characteristics of a successful social media marketer?
Okay, being social media marketing is something that more people are becoming aware of. It's important to realize what you need to do and to be successful in it. First of all, staying on top of social media trends is a big thing. Social media is very quick. It moves quickly, very fast, faster than you ever put some snail mail in the mail. It took 3 days, but you push the button and everybody can see it now. That goes along with being prepared to think and act quickly. There are scenarios where you don't want to act too quickly, though. You don't want to get your feelings and emotions, let those get in the way and let you express anger or frustration or any of those things that could make your reputation go down. Once you say those things on the internet, you can't take them back. You want to be comfortable with your analytics. We're not going to touch on that very much today. Learn to write for social media. There's a lot of different social media platforms out there, and each one tends to a different group of people.
Definitely. Do you use Twitter?
I don't use Twitter, but I know that there are only so many characters you can use. It's very short. You need to catch attention fast. You need to grab that attention really fast. With Vines, I do watch a lot of those. They are funny sometimes. They're usually really short. Along with Snapchat, you can take pictures and write whatever you want on it. I think they're really diverse. They can be used for a lot of different things. It'll fit into whatever platform you use, it'll fit into your business. You want to establish and maintain your social media presence. If you're going to create a platform, you want to stay on top of it. You don't want to let it die down. People will look at your page and notice that you're not doing anything on it. You want to keep engagement going on that. And all that you do, show yourself to be an effective user of social media. Again, be effective, stay on top of it, and don't let it just sit there.
Yeah, that's definitely my problem is I tend to create a page and then I tend to neglect it from time to time, and it's like about a week before I check. So.
There's an opposite side to that too, that you can post too much. You don't want to be annoying or seem like you're trying too hard, I guess you could put it.
Okay, so we're going to move on.
So what is the purpose of setting goals and objectives?
First of all, you want to set your goals and objectives because you want to build brand awareness, build brand preference, drive direct leads or sales, increase customer loyalty, and provide customer service and other things that are related to your business activities, and you want to do these things effectively. And the only way you can do that is if you have them set within your goals and your objectives.
What is the acronym you think of when setting goals?
Whenever I'm setting my goals, I want to make them SMART. I'm SMART meaning that I want them to be specific. I want everybody to know what I'm doing. I want everybody to be on the same page. I want it to be effective. I want my goals to be measurable, so I'm not going to throw them up into the sky. I'm going to take it step by step, make them achievable, make it something that is in your comfort zone. Make them realistic and very timely.
I think achievable and realistic kind of go hand in hand, especially when setting goals. And then, of course, that all depends on the time you set yourself. I mean, you can set goals for years in advance or for the daily, really.
Yeah.
I see that.
So what is targeting in social media marketing?
The importance of targeting in social media marketing is getting the right message to the right person. The content marketing institute identifies the challenge for digital marketers as being the right person, the right content, the right place, the right time, the right format, in the right language, and on the right devices.
So, what is the target process in social media marketing?
The target process in social media marketing is big data as an option for identifying and targeting audience. There are many ways marketers can use this wealth of data and is provided to target specific audience. Some of there are behaviors targeting, connection targeting is based on the type of connecting to your base page. Example like Facebook fan, and then the iterate targeting, lookalike targeting, custom targeting, location targeting that are based on the location provided in the user's profile or by targeted data which determines the user current location.
What are some best practices for targeting your branded post, Gaylor?
The best practice for targeted brand posts are understand what platforms are used by the target audience and how they are used. Optimize content and postage schedule for each platform. Use the targeted capabilities of each platform. Monitor results on each platform and continue to improve content engagement and overall marketing effectiveness. So what is social marketing ethics?
All right, social media marketing ethics are simply put, is the fact of being honest. You have to be honest, especially when communicating through different channels, and honesty with friends and family are very highly valued. You move on to privacy. When you're especially trying to collect or distribute personal information, you want to be as private as possible. You also have respect, which is a huge one, and especially for me, showing respect for people means treating them as equals, as responsible individuals. It is definitely a high on my priority list. Of course, you have responsibilities. People make mistakes and errors are inevitable during a social media marketing campaign. When a customer has a valid complaint, the technical problem arises and some of the crisis may loom. And there are 3 steps you can take for that one. Acknowledgement. Find out what the problem is and take responsibility for the situation. Apologize. If someone is angry, first attempt to calm him or her down. Apologize and determine what would give the individual resolution. And of course, act. Implement promised changes or make other restitution. So far, that was what we had covered in the book Social Media Marketing, A Strategic Approach. And of course, we're using that in the social media marketing class. And I'd like to thank you and Tara and Gaylor for being here today.
Thank you.